What is a web server and how it works? Web server is a place which stores, processes, and delivers web pages to web clients. Web clients is nothing but a web browser on our laptops and smartphones. As you can see in this image, the communication between client and server takes place using a special protocol called Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which basically HTTP. I think that you are familiar with this one because you see it in almost all links in all web pages. In this protocol, the client here initiates communication by making a request for a specific web page using HTTP protocol, and the server then responds with the content of that web page or an error message if it was unable to do that, like the famous 404 error page. Pages delivered by a server are mostly HTML documents or PHP documents. Now let's take a quick example. This browser is a web client. Now if we write google.com, it will write HTTP, which we already mentioned, and it will ask the server to deliver this web page, which is google.com. Now this request will go from the web client, which is this browser, to Google servers, and Google servers will respond with this page content, which is basically an image and two buttons. So this is us communicating with Google server using our web client, which is this browser. I think now that this idea is more clear, and we are going to transfer our ESP board to our web server, and we are going to write HTML code so that whenever someone sends a request to our ESP board server, it will respond with the pages that we did create inside it. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.